Hi, I'm Doug Stewart working with RBH here today. Going to install the Ultra system in one of their showrooms. The thing I like about the Ultra system here is that they've got a real simple setup. You just put a couple screws in the wall and they got little hangers and they hang right up on the wall. Nice thin little setup that they have. Comes with hardware you need and instructions and templates. We just fish the wires down through the back. They got nice magnets to hold the grills on. Easy to take them off. You got your two drivers and your tweeter in the center and your connections there. So the wire comes in the back, you connect them to there, and then you just hang them on little T-hangers on the side. We mount our anchors into the wall where we want to put them, and that's how these little guys will go on. Here too, the Ultra 3. That's the same concept, magnets on the front. Wires come out through the back. A little port in the back of the speaker. Wires come out and you put them into the channels you want. You can make it a center speaker, left channel, right channel speaker. You got your 6 drivers and 3 tweeters that run on the front of there. And that's gonna mount on our wall after we get the TV mounted. We're gonna mount this right to the wall, right underneath the TV. Another neat feature is that they come custom cut to fit the size of your speaker, or your TV, excuse me. You tell them the size of your TV, and then they'll chop them down to the fit so it's flush along the side of your TV. We have a 60-inch TV, and so we had this one chopped down to fit right underneath the TV. All right, well, let's get this TV hung up and start hanging some speakers. Half-inch driver. This is the center of our wall. We're gonna get our TV on the center of this. We're gonna try and hit a stud. You definitely wanna try and hit the stud 2 times if you can, with 2 of them in there. So we'll mount that up, screw that to the wall, level it off. Now I'm just gonna double check, make sure I got it centered on the wall, in between the doorway. And there we go, now we're centered on our wall. The Ultra 1, the small ones, we'll grab the template and use that as a placement for our screws. Now I'm gonna pre-drill my holes for my drywall anchors for the speakers that I got marked. Fish our wires through a hole in the back. Bring out the front. Get those in, just that easy. Plug those in and you're ready to go. Put your grill on. Go ahead and hang the other one. There we go. The Ultra 3. So this is not necessarily a sound bar, it's considered a speaker bar because it doesn't have any amps or power in it. It's non-powered, so you can hook it up to a receiver. Go ahead and fish our wire through the back. So we're going to wire this one up as a center channel. So if you go to RBH's website, I'll show you a wiring diagram. So we're wiring it as a center, but it could also be an LCR and be wired as a left and a right or the center. So since we have the Ultra ones on the side, we're going to use this as our center, that our right channel, and this will be our left. Now we'll go back to the rear. Hook in our Ultra 1s in the back. Now that we have these wired up, we'll go ahead and hook up our woofers. We're going to use 2 of them since it's a fairly big room. And once you get that all hooked up, don't forget to do your receiver auto calibration. This is how simple it is to hook up the Ultra 3 and the Ultra 1 system. We have the channels up front and the rears.